Optic 22512. Let's do this thing. Good luck, y'all. I'm gonna go home, have a miserable weekend, and come back to work on Monday. 5 times. Here we go. If the Spurs, they're right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hornets. 5 times. Hornets on top. Yeah, I don't really know what the point of it is. Apparently, it's so that David Brown, congratulations. So that if somebody else orders them, they just pick like a random bunch of streamers to go and follow. Hornets and Spurs is a great combination there for David. Here we go. Legends buy the last 26 spots. Alright, here we go. Listen. What's the worst they can happen? She chlorine gases you. Jamal Murray, Red International, rating 3. Taylor Hendricks, Rising Suns, Trae Young. Noah Clowney, Jared Vanderbilt. B-Pod, Tamani Kamara, number to 65. Dominators Osa. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, yeah, that's way better. Zach Levine, number 65. I didn't even know they made that. That's amazing. Rising Suns, also Thompson. Oh, that's so cool. Playing Kamara, blah. For those who are wondering, it's a Lego Technic Team New Zealand sale. Gold Hunter Tyson. Number to 10, 4 of 10. Is there like Australian versions of that? Like, is there any cool Australian exclusive stuff like that? Because that's so sick. I love me in one corner and the red Vucevic. Me in one corner and the Olympics in the other. What a beautiful layout. Oh, that's so nice. You know George, Red Hot Rookies, Cam Whitmore? No, I don't. Don't send me anything like that. I can't get back until I go. Lou Dort. Marcus Sasser. Lights out. Osar Thompson for the Pistons. Nick Smith. Brain 3's Donovan Mitchell. Ben Shepard. Victor Wembanyama with the rookies. Oh, yes. I can't get back into Lego. That'll get me in a lot of trouble. Rising Sun, Zion. Jordan Hawkins, Klay Thompson, rating 3s. Scoot Henderson, Dominators, Red International. Nice one there for the Blazers. Brandon Miller, lights out. Derek Whitehead, Franz Wagner. Silver Dominators, SGA. Strother, K. Cunningham. It has a choice. There's no... I don't think it's scoped, though. Remember you get the Silver Rising Suns, Kevin Durant. The Sakura and stuff. Cherry Blossom, that is to say. Brother Miller, Dante Vincenzo. Or was that Prism? I can't remember. Definitely has it because you get the dragons. It's just not scopy, I don't think. Okay, while Steph Curry lights out. But I have been accidentally seeing the scopes and calling the 99s 88s because of it. Okay, so Wallace, Silver, CJ McCollum. Jalen Green. Thompson, Silver, Keegan Murray. Yeah. So the team, Julian Phillips, to 99. Choice has the, it's kind of similar. I don't have any choice near me. It's quite weird though, you're right. Dual colour of Dominators, De'Aaron Fox, 98 and 99. Jordan Walsh, Raven Sun, LeBron. I don't actually know if there's an animal short print for this. This is the Booker. Nearly the end of a second or third case. I can't remember. I think it's third. Trevino, case on Wallace. Actually, it's definitely third. It's the end of the third case. So we haven't seen any like elephant or anything like that. Duncan Robinson. We'll probably just check the back of the box. International, Hollow Red, Green, Gold. Green, Gold. Slammy is in it, Alter Ego is in it. They're all to 10, there's nothing lower than 10. And it doesn't look like there's an animal or anything. To 65, Emmanuel quickly, number 2, 65 to 65. Yeah, like the green is a choice thing. The red and yellow is as well. Dominators. I think choice this year was reds and red greens, and then Mojo, if I'm not mistaken. Gigi Jackson, Quentin Grimes to 99. For Optic. And then, of course, maybe Gabe Vincent, Red International. Grey Dick. Luke Wentz-Dort, number 299. Yeah. Okay. Now that's, so it's always been in Optic choice. Amari Bailey, Derek Lively, right out rookies. For basketball. Wembanyama, rated rookie, very nice. Still Jaden Hardy. Rising Sun, Scoot. Yeah, different sports. But again, this is very reminiscent of choice. Marquise Noel, Gordon Hayward. No autos across the 3 yet. Please be gold. It is gold! LeBron James, lights out! 1 of 10. Jet Howard, Dominator Jamal Murray. And it's not over now. Andy Black, Reggie Jackson International. Vasily Micic and Jamal Murray. Yeah. Still reigning 3 Steph Curry. At least I saw it. Locked on. Emoni Bates, Nick Smith Jr. Right down to the Middle Ages. Planet Earth kept going through changes. Times continue to change. Chris Murray, Brandon Miller, Rising Suns. They were always renegades. Nothing exo renegades. Of their time and age, the mighty renegades. Damian Lillard, Rising Suns to 99. Derek Lively, running through his Paul Pierce. Next time I hit something crazy, I'm going to pretend not to notice that Victor Wembanyama, Red Hot Rookie Silver, and be like, alright. And then come back to it at the end and be like, oh wow, we hit a 1-on-1 in this break, and the breaker didn't even notice. But I'd be pretty hard pressed to pretend not to. OMP. Julian Strawther. Jordan Poole. Koulibaly. Tari Eason, number 299. Donates LeBron. And finally, Chris Livingston and lights out Damian Lillard, and that is Optic 22512. We're on this musical mission. Others listen as a group from land to land. So you're gonna eat electronic jams. Old bass player. Must thou curse my soul.